To print QuickBooks checks, start by ensuring you have the necessary equipment and software, including a computer, a printer, and the QuickBooks program installed. Make sure your printer is compatible with QuickBooks and that you have the correct check stock, which can be purchased from Intuit or other suppliers. Open QuickBooks and navigate to the banking menu. Then select Write Checks. Choose the bank account you want to use and click on the Items tab to select the checks you want to print. You can also add new checks by clicking on the Add New Check button. In the Write Checks window, enter the date, check number, and payee information, and select the account to be used. You can also add a memo or reference number if needed. Make sure to verify the accuracy of the information before proceeding. To print the checks, click on the Print button at the bottom of the screen. Select the printer you want to use and choose the correct check stock. You can also preview the checks before printing to ensure they are correct. When printing checks, it is essential to follow best practices to avoid errors and maintain accuracy. Always use the correct check stock and ensure that the printer is properly aligned. It is also crucial to keep track of the check numbers and balances to avoid discrepancies. In addition to printing checks, QuickBooks also allows you to customize the check layout and design. You can add your company logo, change the font and color, and add or remove fields as needed. To customize the check layout, go to the File menu, select Printer Setup, and choose the check style you want to use. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently print QuickBooks checks and maintain accurate financial records. It is essential to regularly review and update your check printing settings to ensure compliance with accounting standards and to avoid errors.